Hi all, welcome to the first part of Hyblock's how-to series. The purpose of these videos is to give you an understanding of how to navigate through the Hyblock platform so that you can better utilize all the available features. In today's video, we will be discussing the graphing application tool that is used in most of our products. If you have used Hyblock in the past, especially our premium members, you will know that outside of the main chart application, we have a unique charting tool. This tool may be difficult for new users to navigate, so I want to spend a few minutes going over some of the available features. In this demo, I will be using the liquidations chart as my primary example, and the focus will be to go over the few settings options that are available on the top right corner of the graph, which you can see right here. To get started, as a default, you'll have two options already selected for you. The first one is this one on the right called Show Closest Data on Hover. This setting allows you to bring your cursor over the point of the graph to see what the different values are, which you can see on my screen. Next to this, you have a similar function called Compare Data on Hover. This allows you to see multiple data points close to the value that you've selected, which you can see on my screen right here. The next default option that we have is the zoom feature, which is right over here. The zoom function allows you to draw a box and zoom into a particular region on the chart. So we can test that out right here. If you'd like to scroll across the chart while still being zoomed in, you have the ability to do so by selecting this pan button, which is right next to the zoom button. So here you can see now we can scroll across the chart. In order to go back to the original graph, you have a few different options. One is this auto scale button. Next is this reset axis button, or you can just double click anywhere on the graph. So if I click on this, you can see I'm back to my original zoom setting. Some more functionality that I'd like to quickly go over is the zoom in and zoom out buttons. This gives the user a more generic zoom functionality. However, majority of the times you will be using the zoom box that I highlighted earlier. Another setting is the box select and lasso select. This is available if you would like to add drawings to the chart to highlight particular areas of interest. If we move over to the right, we have the toggle spike lines. This creates a dotted vertical and horizontal line from the selected point to get a better understanding of where that point exists relative to the rest of the graph. Okay. And finally, the last option is to download the plot as a PNG. So that was the overview of Hyblock's charting library. I hope that that was helpful. If you're watching this on YouTube, please leave a comment below with your feedback, and I'll see you in the next how-to video. Cheers.